Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Ahmed Saeed, Professor of Forensic Medicine, Independent Medical College. My dear students, we were discussing personal identity, and today, in this regard, we will discuss age certification and different ages of medico legal importance, as well as we will discuss the identification of skeletal structures. Age certificate is a signed document issued by a authority in a specific case which narrates the facts observed and opinion formed at a specific date and time. In this certificate, we record the biodata of the examinee, 2 marks of identification of the examinee, different parameters from which are indicative of the age of the person, then opinion regarding age, which is given in range, and range is given to be in plus minus, and then is signatures and date and time noted on the this certificate. Now, ages of medico legal importance. Medico legally, which ages are important? Usually 7 years age is medico legally very important, because children below 7 years are presumed by law to be incapable of committing an offence and exempted from punishment. So nothing is an offence which is done by a child under 7 years of the age. Then is 12 years. This is also medico legally important age. Children above 7 years and below 12 years are presumed by the law to be capable of committing crime if they have got sufficient majority of understanding to judge the nature and consequences of their conduct on that occasion. A child below 12 years cannot give consent for surgical operation. 14 years. To constitute the crime of kidnapping, the age of male should be below 14 years. No child below 14 years of age is allowed to work in a factory. Then is 15 years of age. According to the Factory Act, a person have 15 years and less than a person above 15 years and less than 18 years is called an adolescent. 16-year age is also important. To constitute the crime of the kidnapping, the age of victim should be less than 16 years. To constitute a crime of abduction, age of victim should be less than 16 years. Age for marriage contract for female is 16 years. 17 years is also medico legally important, because below 17 years no person is allowed to work in a mine. Age of 18 years is very important, because person attains majority when he completes age 18 years of the age, and he becomes major in 18 years of the age. To constitute the crime of abduction, age of female should be less than 18 years. According to the Factory Act, a person of 18 years is considered an adult. A person cannot join government service if he is below 18 years of age. Now, the identification of these skeletal structures. Sometimes we find some bones from somewhere. Police brings these bones to the doctor, and The basic questions are whether these bones are human or not human, and what is the age and sex of the person. So they bring the bones to the doctor. So first is the thing we have to decide is whether the bones are human or not. Very few people can distinguish between human and non-human bones except for the skull. Even experts may be in difficulty without characteristic joint structures. If a bone fragment too small for visual identification has not been subjected to heat or chemical and is reasonably fresh, means below 10 years, it can be accurately identified as to animal species by the precipitin test. Microscopy has no value as bone structure is basically the same throughout all the mammalian species. After 10 years, the precipitin test becomes negative. Second question is how long since death? So, the circumstances under which the human remains have been found, for example, exposed on the surface or buried, where they found in the cold or warm season. Number 2 is after the soft tissue disappears, remnants of the cartilage may be present on the articular surface of the joints for 12 to 15 months in buried body. Ligamentous tissue and tendons are also slowly to disappear. They disappear in 12 to 18 months in a buried body. There may remain mild odor of decay. However, odor is good indication of recent death. Unlike other body tissues, brain and its surrounding membranes can persist for considerable periods after the bone has lost their covering. Tissues 12 to 15 in 12 to 15 months and the odor of decay is lost. Bones have an appearance of freshness that distinguishes them from a long buried specimen. Long buried bones may have a chalky texture due to decomposition of periosteum. Benzodine test is negative after 50 years. Benzodine test is performed at benzodine solution 10% plus bone plus H2O2. It gives greenish blue color. Sex determination, we have also discussed the sex determination, age determination and race determination in the bony tissues. Then the burnt bodies. Heat makes the bone brittle so that breakage may occur. The identification of burnt body and teeth does not essentially differ from that of unburned. It should be kept in mind that more shrinkage occurs in the natural drying process. The appearance of bones may indicate whether they have been burned in the flesh or in dried state. Unprotected bone, when exposed to heat, undergoes charring, cracking, splintering, that is fragmentation, and roasting, whereas bone embedded in the tissue undergoes something resembling fusion, gutted or molten. Thank you.